What's up, goodies? Welcome back to the vlog and to my channel. And I'm out here with baby girl.
Yeah.
And today's what, Saturday? Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, pick up on yourself. Well, I had to run some errands and I figured I'd just grab my camera and take you guys along with me, right?
In about a quarter of a mile, right turn at the end of the road onto Thomas Road.
Hope everybody is doing good and blessed and all them good thing there. Today is a beautiful day out here in Atlanta. Let me say what degree. Actually, it's 82 degrees today.
82 degrees.
82 degrees, so it's pretty warm. Last night it cool. Today it's warm.
Yeah.
So yeah, happy Saturday. Right. That's better because my camera shaking and carry on and I go on all kind of things. But yeah, I'm going out to run some errands and stuff, me and baby girl.
Yeah, there's something
Some things, so they still have news, that's alright. That's alright. Thing I flashed that away. But yeah. But this is good. That video, no probably gonna see this today because this is a vlog. I can't easily do this and put it up and stuff like that. But regardless of the fact, you're gonna see it by Sunday, no later than Sunday, which is tomorrow. Today is Saturday. But anyway, that mukbang that I did, and I was telling you guys about the tea. Well, guess what? Even the mukbang that I did, because I had the coronavirus in certain parts of the video, and in the tag and the edit down the title, I had to remove all of that. YouTube shut down my whole thing, but you guys didn't know that, but they shut down my entire thing because of that one word, not suitable for kids and all that. So them, yeah. So I had to. Thank God I never have to delete the video, but I have to go ahead and change titles and take out tags and all that stuff so you guys could be able to see it and that I could get it monetized, right? So that's basically that. And then the tea now, as I told you, I made the tea. What's the same turn again?
Turn right.
So I made the tea and everything, edit the video and everything, but when I was putting in the description and all of that stuff, YouTube again put restrictions on the video based on the word cancer. So now I did upload it to both my channels. So what I did, I deleted the one from my main channel, How to Cook, and so I only have it on my channel, Life of Juliana. So I'm gonna upload it there, so because I don't want no issues with the access, so I'm gonna upload it. It's already uploaded because I had planned to put it on both channels, but I'm only going to have it on Life as Juliana. So what I'm going to do when it becomes public, if you are not subscribed to that channel, Life as Juliana, I'll go ahead and put it on my community section, so you can go ahead and click on there and watch it from the channel. But yeah, YouTube is very strict on words and all them something there where you're putting in your videos, and so yeah. I had to delete the entire video from the channel, my channel. So it's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's terrible.
But anyway, it's a beautiful day, even though we're scared going on and all of that stuff. Let's see if we can zoom out some more. No, that's it. Even though we got our scare going on, you know, everybody's on the edge. Everybody up on the edge. It's a beautiful day in Atlanta. My cup I'm having at Ensure. Now that me usually drink at morning time, but it's not morning time now. What time now?
2. It's past.
It's past 2 o'clock, almost 3, and this is my first meal of the day.
Yeah, it's like 2:42 right now. Here we are. Oh no.
Okay, good people. So we are heading to now get some dog food and then something there. Make sure that my puppy, my doggy, him all set with what he needs. So we going into Pets Smart. Alright, baby girl on camera. And no, I forget getting Future's dog food. So this is the only place I'm gonna come get my puppy food. Because he picky with his food and he only eat certain things.
I thought Future was the one that was picky with his food.
Eh?
Future was the one that's picky with his food.
So
You know, toy breed, adult, you know.
the one there, right?
Yeah, Shih Tzu is a toy breed and he's an adult.
So that is what Future's food look like. That's the only thing him eat. But sometimes I feel like I want to try him with something else right there, so you know.
I mean, you don't want to switch up something that is constipated, lousy, and lazy.
I know, right?
Like, this is something that, he's always active with. I'm always gonna run up and down and
I know, so that's about it. We don't need nothing else to in there, right?
Wait, hard. Or do you want to get it at the dollar?
I'll get it somewhere else because they be expensive as hell in here. So mom's getting checked out now. You know, anything you gotta say, mama?
Not for somebody like that. Say it.
Too cute.
You want to get out.
Yeah.
Thank you. May I have a blessed one? Oh, can I have a bag? Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So we got Future's food. We're all good. Yeah, all good in the A. You know, there go food right, y'all saw. Right? There go Betsy, sexy looking Betsy.
Oh, wash now. Got the car wash.
Oh yeah. She looks shiny, but when you're up close, she's covered in pollen. So we're gonna go to the car wash now. Look who is playing on a guitar for $1 in the Dollar Tree.
You know, if this was a real guitar, I'll be
So we're at the dollar store, right? I'm gonna pay for the
half and half.
Well, goodie, your girl accomplished some things, and now me get my car washed because I haven't washed my car in forever. My car dirty. When I say dirty, I mean dirty.
Hi, people.
So, yes, baby girl. So, but definitely have to get this car taken care of, and this is the only car wash that I come to in Fayetteville. So yeah. My car don't like nobody near it, you know. My car make
That's
clear
just the
sounds.
sensors.
So we gonna wash this car, and we going to get this car all nice and clean, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is my car wash now. Oh, me don't what? Me don't scratch my arm.
Your nose?
No, my eye, but me just take my ear. Me just take my wig and go so and scratch my eyebrow instead. That's good enough. When I scratch my eyebrow, it sends signals to my eyeball. So I'm gonna need for scratch out my eyeball with my dirty on, because I went in a dollar store. I must, you know, we must picking up all them things. We did go into the supermarket.
Wait, soup?
No, I'm not going to the supermarket.
Dollar
store.
And
PetSmart, yes.
But you use
That's a future supermarket.
But you use your hand sanitizer afterwards.
But they use my hand sanitizer, but my hand sanitizer never catch everything. So I'm now going to put my hand and scratch out my ear, my eyeball and them something there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Well, hand sanitizer only says 99.9% germs. So that's 0.000001%.
What you have to say with this? We can't even see your tongue.
So wait, what?
We have to say what I go, because you just chat up about off a camera.
I was just saying, like, hand sanitizer only pick up 99.9% germs, so that 0.01% is still on your hand. So yeah, we'll still wash your hand afterwards. Hand sanitizer is nothing but protection.
I hope my youth take time with my truck, you know. Because sometimes when them do that, when them use sometimes when they come at the car wash with a nice car, the brush thing there, it just scratch up your car.
It do?
Scratch up your car, yes. Leave scratches and stuff. So yeah, car wash it is, yeah. Turn. So make sure I pick up the footage, yeah.
I got it. We had the car one, getting Betsy a good shine.
Clean. Come on, lights.
Yeah, clean, you know.
Nice and clean. So now we have to find a place to vacuum out this thing.
Away from the people them.
So we got to find a place. Okay, why does all look pretty good? Them still did it same way, take up space.
Yeah, long line. But it's a good thing though that we are members of the car wash club.
Yeah, me a member, so when I come here,
It's a quick process.
Line,
Yeah.
and just go through real quick.
It's a faster process.
Way faster. So make me go clean up this damn car. Outside. It may never not do up my work, you know, just inside my one vacuum.
So stop it. All right, guys. We're at the car wash still, and we're just about done polishing up Betsy. Yeah, look at that shine. Hey, Mama. Mama. She can't hear me. She can't hear me right now. Mama. Yeah, she can't hear me right now, guys. But look at that sparkle. Mama. She's shiny. Nice and clean. I was just telling them about how Betsy nice and clean. We just finished polishing her up. Give her a nice. Oh. Yeah, look how Mama going.
Peak of my neighborhood, what my neighborhood looks like. But I'm not carrying got my house now. I'm not carrying got my house, but this is my neighborhood right here. That's my neighborhood right here. So, alright. Yeah, like it's around here, so the houses them around here, so you can get a house like in the 300 something. Then you have some houses you can like in the 400. But yeah, I saw them sell them around here, so. But it's a very decent and quiet neighborhood, as you could see right here.